Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change phone number on WhatsApp without losing chat. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, open your WhatsApp application. Once you're on the application, make sure you log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on this settings button at bottom right corner. Then tap on account. Once you're on this section, you will see this option change number, tap on it. On this page, it will show the process of number change. If you want to proceed, tap on this next button. On the first section, you'll have to enter your old number. Then on the second section, you'll have to enter your new number. Once you have entered the numbers, tap on the next button. Then it will ask you if you want to notify all your contacts that you have changed your number. If you want to notify them, toggle this button on, then tap on done. And if you don't want to notify them, just leave it be, then tap on this done button. Once you do so, your phone number will be changed and you won't lose any chats. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.